Hello everyone, here in this session we'll cover the exercise number 4, which is again quite simple one. Let's start with this without wasting time. So let me just go ahead with the NEEF. So I'll mention as exercise number 04. If you want to uncheck the default unit template, you can select it from here. By default, ILBS and the seconds will be taken into account. Otherwise, you can change it here. I don't want to change now. I'll keep it as default. Now, I'll go ahead with the right plane. Okay, on it, I'm gonna create a simple sketch. The sketches quite simple. So from here it should be like this, and then I do need to apply the fillets at these regions. The radius of fillet is 2. I'll select the fillet. Here I'll add between these two, and as well as between these two, and then I need to define the two circles. So I'm just defining the rough sketch now. Okay, so once it is done, I need to specify the dimensions. I'll go ahead with the dimensioning. The first thing is the total length is 8. Okay, I'll mention the same. This should be 8 inches. Radius is 18.9, so make it 8. Before that, I'll change these because very important. These diameter is 2. I'll mention this one. And then distance is 6. So that I could do now. You select the normal dimension from the center to this. It should be 2 mm. That's okay. And then distance between these two should be from here to this particular circle 3. Okay, and now we can mention the remaining things. So we can come out of that. It should be 7, and this total distance should be 8. Okay, the radius should be 2 mm, sorry, 2 inches. You can mention the same to correct this. Finally, this value, as I mentioned, this should be 2. Yep, that's well good enough. Okay, I think everything is fine here in the sketch. But the distance needs to be specified properly. So from here to here I need specified. I'll select the center to here. It should be it is already specified here. Let me cross check. This should be 6 as I mentioned. Yep, this is quite okay. You can click on green check and you can extrude it. The extrude value is 1. Can specify here 1. Could see the preview from this side. It is extruding this side. That's fine. Click on OK to go ahead with next things. So you can uncheck everything. So you can activate the display styles from here. play with the edges. That's fine. And now I do need to create the extrude of 6 mm, that is 5 mm on from this face. So I'll simply create a sketch on it. I'll draw a rectangle again, simple one, referring these edges, as simple as it is. So there should be 1 mm, that's all. So you can extrude it up to 5 mm, not more than that. You're able to see. So once this is done, I do need to create the ribs. To create the ribs, I do need the planes. That is from this side it is 1 mm and that side it is 1 mm. To create the planes, you can select the plane from here. The reference is this. From here it should be 1 mm towards that direction. You can just select this direction to reverse it. Here you can mention again 1. Okay, if you want the opposite you can do it, but I can even create one more. So from here I do need the planes should be shown. You can select the planes. I need one more plane. You can even select the plane from this side, and this should be towards this side. 1. Okay, on these planes I do need to create the ribs, so I'm gonna select the same here. I'll choose this plane, on it I'll sketch the rib. So I'll simply create it. I'll use a line. So from here to here, this edge, I'll draw the line. To confirm, I'll just move it like this. Again, I'll go into sketch, and the distance from this particular point to this edge should be 4. I'll mention the same. Okay, this is okay. That should be towards downwards. I'll again choose a line. Reference is this, and this is the same. Even you can utilize the different tools to deal with this, that is project and all. But I'm okay with this. You can go ahead with this profile rep. Define this size. Not from the middle. Okay, this should be the required stuff. Okay. Yep, this is quite good. Next, let me see what exactly is needed. At this particular phase, I do need to create the hole. So I'll just select this particular plane and I'll just sketch this one. The slot should be created. I think the slot is not available. I'll go with the center rectangle, and then we can use the arc, or better to go with the circle. That would be better. And then you can use the trim tool to just deal with this delete segment. Delete this and this. This. Okay, so once you're done with this, you can simply exit this. Now finally you can define the dimensions. The radius of this should be 0.5. The total length of this should be 2 from here to here. And then from this end to this particular point should be 1.5. Yep, and distance from this side it is here to here 3.5. Let me see whether it is 3.5 or 3. Let me make it 3. Okay, so I can directly go out with this, remove material, reverse the direction, not this direction, towards downwards, green check. That's all. So this is how you can just deal with this particular model. So I think this is quite easy. Fine, so thank you, stay tuned.